Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to My Kanaal. So today we're going to make salad. Even though it's light outside, you guys can see it is light outside, but filming with the video it is super dark. The quality when I put, let me just show you guys, when I put the ring light off, you guys can see the quality is not that good with the lighting, so I have to put the ring light on for you guys to be able to see me. So today I'm going to make salad, and I just want to show you guys how I make my own salad. So I'm going to put the camera down so you guys can see what I'm doing. So here I have the salad. I have that's how I like to wash my salad. I put it in the water. I have my cucumber, I have my tomato, and I have my boiled egg. So everything is ready. I'm going to use 3 boiled egg and some salad. So first one, I'm also going to use shrimp. I'm going to fry the shrimp. But first let me show you guys how I cut my salad. And I also have this salad spinner, just because I don't like the salad to have like excess water. I like to remove all the water in it, so I have this salad spinner. So now I'm going to cut my salad. I don't like to use this part, so I cut this part off. So now that I'm done cutting the salad, so I just put it in here and I close it and I just paint it, so you guys are going to see like all the excess water. Gonna leave it to cool down, and then I'm gonna remove this. And now you have all this. You see guys, you see how much water you have in. You have all this excess water. So I'm gonna do it one more again. Still have a little bit of water. So now I'm just gonna leave this and leave it to close it first, just put it aside, don't need it yet. And now I'm going to cut the cucumber. So this is enough, and I'm going to wash my tomato. I'm going to cut the tomato like into blocks, not like small, but like a little bit big, medium size. And then I'm just going to like cut it like this. So now that I've cut the tomato, I'm going to peel the egg. I boiled it, now it's cold, so I'm just going to peel the egg off. So now I'm going to fry the shrimp. So I put a little bit of oil in it. Please excuse the noise, that's my kids. I put a little bit of oil I'm gonna leave that one to heat up. And then I'm going to put the shrimps. I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. I also like to put a little bit of this, both of them, just a little bit. So now that I have done that, I'm going to take my shrimps and I'm just going to put it on top. So now I'm just gonna like mix everything together. Sometimes I like to eat it like this, but sometimes I like to put a little bit of mayonnaise in it. Yes, this is just how I am. I just take this mayo, I just put a little bit, just a little bit. That does not look like a little bit, but it's not that much. And now you have everything mixed. The shrimp, everything is in it. You guys see? This is how I like to mix my salad. And now it's time to eat, guys. I'm gonna clean up this area. So I'm going to get my bowl. So now it's time to dish my salad. Okay, you just take the salad. I like shrimps. I normally put the shrimps because of me, like nobody else eats it. So I like to get some of the shrimps out. And the remaining one, I'll just wrap it with a plastic, and that's it. So this is my salad. This is how I like to make my salad. It's very delicious. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. All the links will be down in the description box. This is again Emmy. Bye. Doeg.